Ah, the glories of being a photographer that they never tell you about. All right, this is gonna be real quick and sweet. Oh, there's some birds up in the tree. I think you can see them. But we got seed out along the fence. Where is it? Along the fence. And up here, there's some more. And then down below, the covered area. For those that can't fight off the big cardinals and blue jays and other things that come and take their food. So got the 400 on with the R5 tucked up underneath. I'm not sponsored by Canon yet, hint hint, wink wink. So I can't afford to let it get smothered in snow like First Man can. So gotten some good cardinal stuff, male and female, and we're hoping to get the some other varieties here. So yes, I do wear snow pants every once in a while. Don't tell anyone, but yeah, it's snowing. We've got 2 or 3 inches so far. Supposed to get another couple. We'll see what we can see. See you on the inside. Well, I've been out for about an hour. I think you can see it, possibly. The sun is starting to peek through. So if the sun is out, we are almost done. Very surprised to see the finches out in such numbers. I thought they all migrated south, but there are a lot of finches out today. The usual juncos and the other whistle beep beep. I forget their names, but anyway, so we're gonna wrap this up here soon. That little guy, he's right behind me. Beep 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 beep, chickadee. That's what he is. I need to get a new phone so I can flip this around. He is right behind me, about 4 or 5 feet. So, oh, and just about then, a hawk shows up. There's a hawk out over there behind JR's yard. Isn't that something? Oh well, we'll see what happens. Still about 25, 30 degrees, no wind, or very little. Lots of heavy snow, soft, fluffy snow. So, we'll see what we can see when we get inside. Thanks for watching.